Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group here in Hopkins, South Carolina. We are featuring a subdivision, new construction community that's being built out here. It's called Hunter's Branch, and wanted to, show you. We're going to tour a couple of properties here today. And what I would ask for you is we want to make this a participatory process. If you know a community that you want me to take a look in and drill down into, put it in the comments, put it in or text me just to let me know that this is something that you're interested in. They've got smart homes that they're building out here, and they also have a community pool, so there are some amenities that you'll see. But stay tuned, follow along. You don't want to miss what I got to show you in a couple of these properties, some good looking homes out here. Chat with you soon. This is Julius Washington from the Washington Group, and I'm so excited to show you this 5-bedroom, 3-bath home here in the Hunter's Branch subdivision in Hopkins, South Carolina. Real quick, it's right across from the swimming pool. So the community does have amenities. I just wanted to show that to you. It's a growing community. We're still in the first phases of it. So there's goodness and value related to that because you're at the beginning, which means it's only up from here. Now, that's my perspective on that, the way the real estate market works in these new construction homes. What I want to show you is, look how spacious that entrance and that open hallway that leads to the living space. This is a very, very spacious home. You'll see the luxury vinyl planks that are laid out on the floor. And look at that, that big island that's right there in the middle near your kitchen. Give you more shelving space to maneuver as you prepare those meals. Stainless steel appliances, that's what this community provides you. Part of their incentivized packages that they give to the buyers. Right now, they do have special deals going on in place with their offering and providing to buyers as far as cash toward closing, cash toward additional appliances like your refrigerator and your washer dryer. I'll show you, there's a deep sink here. You can see that, okay? Granite countertops, which is a nice, entrance to your 2-car garage. We'll move here to the walk-in pantry. You can see there's a lot of space here for you to put your goods. All right, a lot of cabinet space, a lot of countertop space, okay? And you can see all the storage space related to this living space area. Okay, stainless steel dishwasher here, more storage space here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a dining room area here, located here, and then you swivel over here, and that's your family area where you can put your large screen TV, your sectional, whatever you desire, choose. Okay, from the living space area here, what we have is the 1-bath that's downstairs. Okay, it's a full shower, toilet, and a vanity. Okay, with the hard Corian countertops, and looks like a linen closet here for you. Okay. Now we'll transition here to the 1-bedroom that's downstairs. Okay, that's what I said, 1-bedroom downstairs. Okay, and then what you'll have is a closet right there, and we'll transition from here over to the upstairs. All right, as we walk, we meander a little bit. All right, you see, very spacious as you're walking through the house, okay? And now we're transitioning up the stairway to the 2nd floor. You can see it's a wide staircase, fully carpeted. Okay, so helps you from a safety perspective so that you don't slip and slide down the stairs. Okay, but you do have the railing here for you to hold on to. Nice little landing floor area here, loft area here, open space that you can use it as you see fit. A lounging area for your kids, or a little meditation area for yourself. You pick and choose for yourself. Okay, first closet we'll look at is storage. Lots of storage. Place for you to put your Christmas boxes, things of that nature. Okay. So we're going to start from left and work our way all the way to the right, back to the back part of the house. This is your master suite. And as you can see, as we enter into it, a large walk-in closet. Okay. Okay, so you have that right there. And then we'll transition. Look how large this bedroom is. It's huge. Okay. Just gives you a panoramic and a depth perspective of how large this room is. Okay, so you can put just about whatever you want, from your bedroom bedroom furniture to sitting area. You name it, you can do it here in this bedroom. Okay, and then we'll transition to here. Okay, this is your master suite bath. You've got a closet, a large spacious closet with a door for your bathroom. A water closet is what I call it. Okay, and then you have another closet over here for more clothing, so you can put more of your clothing. A large stand-up shower. All right, and then we'll take a look in here with a dual vanity. Okay, with the hard Korean countertops. Okay, that's it. That's it for in a nutshell for this home here, which is the ROBIE or ROBIE floor plan here within the Hunters Branch community in Hopkins, South Carolina. If you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, you're ready to pull that trigger, you're talking about moving here to Hopkins in Columbia, South Carolina, I would love to help you. Feel free to reach out to me via email, phone, or text. And then what I will do is I will promise you that you will get an A1 level type of service from me. I look forward to trying to help you in any way I can. This is Julius Washington from the Washington Group, and signing out.